some stuff off camera. But yes, I have charcoal now. Okay, it's pretty important to me because charcoal, charcoal. But boom, 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 and boom. And now I have plenty of wood, which I can use for burning in the thing. I also have some charcoal, which can also be used the same way. I'm running out of room in my chest, so I need to use some of this stuff. That iron needs to stay there. It's near nighttime, and for seeing mobs, I'm going to need tools. I'm going to take all my tools with me. Some food in case I get hungry. Why do I only have one melon? Oh, because I didn't take a whole stack, that's why. It's getting around nighttime, if I'm correct. I want to find some gold. If only I could just find some gold. Why the heck did I do that? What is wrong with me? Okay, needless to say, I'm going to have to quickly do something, because I do not want that like that. Thank you, piece of stuff. I'm not going to carry around that anymore because it creates pack. I will only want pack much later. Stupid stuff. Game hates me, of course it does, because I'm like the king of fails on it. Let's take this stone pickaxe, try to find at least one more piece of iron since my pickaxe is dying down anyways. Whoa. Oh yes, I forgot my torches. How could I forget about my torches that I crafted off camera? And it's daytime anyways. I guess it was nighttime, and I just didn't know it. I thought it was daytime because it was raining. It's hard to tell, so I just lost an entire mining part. Not much of night mine is it? That probably will never happen again, I swear to you. But if it does, you know it will, probably. Sound like the king of fails. King of fails. And I forgot torches. I want to just start carrying these around along with me. Also, I can craft 4 torches. There we go. More torches. Super important for... Wait. Seriously, I thought it was daytime. I got out of there, and yes, it is nighttime. That's what I hate about Minecraft, is you can't tell when it's raining, and it messes you up. And then you think you lost your chance to do whatever you're trying to do at night. And you're confused because you're like, why aren't there any mobs? And you get all upset over something. And you find out, oh, there was no reason to be upset in the first place. That's what I hate about Minecraft. Not that I hate Minecraft, it's really... Is there any other iron down here? I tried doing more expeditioning up here, which is like our secret underground watery mine. I got kind of stuck in a flood thing. I'm going to start a whole other mine down here. But my pickaxe is on the range of breaking. If only I could just find some more iron. I would love more iron. If there even is more iron, which there was for Dancy in his Let's Plays. Torch. Wait, why am I using my stone pickaxe? And it's on the range of breaking. In case you haven't noticed, that it is breaking horribly, my poor pickaxe. We'll end up having to
Name.
use a shovel.
Name.
This might be my last piece. Oh, it's the last thing. And of course it breaks. Great. Torch. Just in time of crisis, Daddy, and the shovel's not working, even though it's made out of flipping iron. And I'm going to have to go all the way back up just to get another wooden pickaxe. I will meet you there. Yes, we are back in the home, of course. Apparently, of course, I do have enough cobblestone. I have more than a sack of cobblestone. About a sack and a half of cobblestone. I'm going to need to make lots. I'm going to make 2 more. So I don't have to worry too much. Boom, boom, and actually a stone hoe, a stone axe, and that's it. All I really need. I'm going to do cobblestone and sticks are not helping me right now, so what's the point of you? I seem to have a lot of stuff. Now, we can go back to our big mining thing. Sorry that we had to wait. And of course, I just put everything that I was using away. Of course I did. Now, I have... Oh, why do I keep on putting everything in the flipping chest? It's messed up. Anyways, hopefully we'll get another piece of iron very, very soon. We have some sticks, don't worry. And our chest plate isn't working too well. Actually, just to save the energy on this chest plate, remove it. These mobs hate me anyways. They hate me so much that they don't even dare to attack me. I don't know why. 'Cause I'm awesome. Awesome person at Minecraft. No, I'm not. I am in creative, but not too good at survival. That's why I either said in or off camera or something. Anyways, one time I said, I'm glad this isn't a survival tutorial. Now, let's go back to our other mining area. Down, down, down. Oh, it's so very annoying. Well, at least now, if this pickaxe breaks, we have another one. What the heck? This is super annoying. That's why I hate gravel. Stupid gravel. Oh my god. I hate gravel. I'm gonna end up with a ton of gravel though. Yay, I guess. Anyways, I just set up a torch. That's going to be dealt with later. Somehow. Well, I'm new. What can you say? This is so super annoying because I'm so super horrible at this. Which means that, yeah, I'm just going to be super horrible. I can't see a thing. There we go. Torch. I'm glad that I made charcoal for torches. Oh, what the heck? I didn't even break it. I didn't even break it. What the heck? You can tell I am very annoyed. And like I said, it's a good thing that I have another pickaxe available, because my thing's already running low. Not a good start to a second episode. Hey, at least I did really well on the first episode, since on the first episode, let me remind you, I had an iron chestplate and an iron shovel in hand. Not that I really care about shovels, but hey, it was the only thing I could do. Now I'm really regretting making that shovel go, because that would have gave me a iron pick by now. And maybe even diamonds.
Alright, so Andy, take a pause for a moment.
For what? Why?
I need you to watch your growth for a few.
Okay, everybody, see you in the next episode. Bye.